What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a fall look, so stay tuned if you want to see how. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. Let me turn this down. I'm watching the Prince Family, but anyway, so for the first palette I'm going to be using Morphe's 35V palette and then the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey palette. So the first palette I'm going to start off using is the Morphe palette. So as you can see, it has like shimmers and just matte colors. So I literally I got this like 2 weeks ago and never used it yet. So but it comes with the names of each of the colors. I just put it like this, that way I can see what color is what, or what the name of each color is. So the first one I'm going to start off using is Heat, this color right here. Alright, and I'm gonna put that all like above my crease area. So Okay guys, so this is the final look. I would say you can do this look in the day, at night, depending on the lips that you do. So this is like a matte, a nude matte color. So I can just go out throughout the day. But then here is what it looks like if you want to do like a nighttime look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.